About it here. Just about to wrap up my day. I am waiting on one last stock, which is XPO, and it is the only one I am down on today. I'm down 3%, $75. Hoping this is going to jump back up. Generally does. It's kind of a slower moving stock. $5 billion market cap. So a lot different than the ones I've been trading. I got out of everything this morning, either pre-market or pretty much really close to the open. Made about $800 so far. I don't know why Robinhood does this, but I took out $1,000. Well, I moved $1,000 from my account to my bank account because I want to put that into my E-Trade account. But now when I did that, it shows that I'm only up $91 for some reason. So that doesn't really make any sense. It's basically almost counting it as a loss, or I don't know how they're computing this. But if you saw the video yesterday, you would see that, obviously that's not what's going on here. So, I was in GLBS. I think I was in at about $6, and I ended up selling this one pre-market. It was up, I can barely even slide this over with this app. I sold it around here, about 810. So I made a pretty decent profit there with SEEL. It's actually not doing bad right now. It's gone up to 409. I was in it. I think I was in at about $3. I sold it at about $4. BPTH, I got in this at $26 yesterday, sold it for $36 this morning. I can't remember if that was, I think it was right here, so it was right at 9:40, 10 minutes after the bell. So that was a good trade right there. That was probably the best trade of the day, right behind GLBS ORGO. Did pretty well. Also sold this pre-market. We'll see if I can get this. It's not going to be accurate enough. It's very hard on this phone app to show you, but if you see right here at 9:15 a.m. it was at 15.89. I believe I sold it at 13 and some change. And I was in this from $6.96, I believe. So that was a very good gain there. I'm very happy about that. But I am about to wrap up my day now. Those were basically the only ones that did much. I was in other positions, but really only made, $2, $3 here and there. So it's not even worth talking about. Basically right now I'm just waiting for XPO. I want to kind of zero out of this one. It looks like it's starting to go back up, getting some small buys in. Sells kind of trickled off. Looks like it's buying time again. So hopefully it hits my average of 49.87, and I'll go ahead and pull that out for the day, and then I'll just call that a wash basically. So, I'll probably be swing trading this one. Obviously, it's, if I would have bought in this morning at 47.49, then it went up to 48.93. It's been up to $50, past $50 yesterday. There's not a lot of big losses in this, and it moves very slow, so it's a lot more manageable. Those other ones were absolutely insane. I was up very early this morning watching it, looking at the chat boards and making sure everything was going to be good to go and seeing what people's thoughts were. Obviously, 90% of the thoughts on there, maybe 99% are bullshit. You just kind of have to sift through it. If you're on StockTwits, unless you're on a private message board, those are a little bit different. But still, you got to make sure that the person you're talking to is a little bit knowledgeable. Anyway, it's been a good week so far. This week I am up about $1,500, I believe. And it's just Tuesday. So I'm going to see if I can get back into something today, and I will make another video tomorrow if I do so and show you what kind of profits I make off of that. What it'll likely be is this XPO stock. Hopefully it jumps up today, and then usually in the morning it drops down and then jumps back up. So I'll see if it drops down either this afternoon after I sell, or if it drops down in the morning tomorrow, and then I'll buy back in, and I might do another live video just like this one. I wish I could have done the other ones, but that would have been a very, very long video and boring to watch, because I was watching the market from I would say 6 a.m. until until now. It's 11:38 a.m. So I'm pretty tired. I'm ready to get out of this stock, to be honest with you, and I wouldn't really be that mad at a 2.5% loss, even though it's $64. It's just not a big deal. It's the last stock I'm in for the day. It's a nice green candle right there. We'll see how it goes. I'll probably hold out another hour or so, and then I'm gonna be done for the day and wrapping it up. But trying to push for a $3,000 week. That would be pretty awesome. So we'll see how that goes. I need to stop taking out money, because this, I don't know why it reflects like that. It's super annoying. See, now all of my past data is only showing for basically, like, this is like basically what I made this week, and it's, it's screwed it up. I don't know what's going on here. Anyway, so I will update again either tomorrow or the day after on my next trade, which, like I said, will likely be XPO. So subscribe if you want to see more of this and what I'm investing in and making money on. All right, this was Think About It. Any comments, leave them below, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. All right, peace out.